Hey, I've got some breaking model railroad news. If you're a model railroader and you're on YouTube and it's Wednesday, you know where to be at 7 p.m. tonight. It's Sparky 107 107's live stream. But every second Wednesday of the month, we have a special treat before Sparky. That's the Community Roundhouse, everybody. Our model railroad community news show we got. It's episode 5. This week we got Monster Railroad. We got Eminem Mark. We got our own cousin Vinny. The main man, SCHUYLKILL John. And now introducing the highballing hogger, our sightings expert. And this month, we're featuring Al Mayo, a monster railroad, in the building of his HO scale Southern Cal Desert. We just like the Brady Bunch, y'all. We adding new people every month. Next month, look for some new ones. We gonna throw in the kitchen sink. We even thinking about bringing Sam the Butcher and Oliver in. We Brady Bunch got nothing on us, everybody. We gonna make this a community show. We making it bigger every month. We busting at the seams. We're excited. This month's episode is fantastic. I can't wait to see you. 6 p.m. tonight on my channel here, the Iron Horse Route, home of the Denver and Rio Grande Western, for episode 5 of the Community Roundhouse. And then we're gonna head right over to Sparky's live stream on Sparky 107 107 at 7 p.m. See you here on my channel, 6 p.m. Eastern time, everybody. Look for the premiere thumbnail coming up soon so you can set the reminder. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can be alerted when the premiere launches. We got a couple hours of Model Railroad live stream fun tonight, y'all, everybody. It's a great day, May 13th. See y'all then.